Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I wanted to show you how you can perform advanced data visualization from Google Earth, not from Google Earth, but from ArcMap to Excel. So for that case, you need to first have a classified image and also make sure you have performed change detection. If you want to know more about that, you can check out the link in the description to my Udemy course where I go into details on how you can work actually with Google Earth Engine, extract the perform supervised classification, then export your image to ArcMap and then perform change detection using ArcMap instead of Google Earth Engine. So for that case, you need to perform all those change detections and analysis so that you can come up with an image which is an intersect of the previous years and the current years for maybe a specific period of, let's say, 10 years or 5 years. So after you perform your intersection, you will come up with a table like this, which has, like for my case, I have a land use land cover change detection for 2017 to 2020. That's a period of 4 years. Then I also have change detection from 2021 to 2024. So I have a period of those kind of specific time. And so what you need to do is after doing all those change detections, you need to merge the tables together so that you can perform now the change detection for the whole period. For that case, you need to copy this table. I've already done that, and you can check out the link in the description for my Udemy course. So I only need to select everything here. I'll just right click there and then select everything. So I can say Control A, select everything, and then I just go and copy. So I just click on copy, click there, then copy selected. Then after copying everything from the attribute table, you go to your Excel sheet, a new sheet, and you paste it there. So say Control V or just right click and paste. Then now we have our attribute table here. What you need to do is you need to delete everything up to change detection and area change. So you can remain with you can only remain with 3 columns. So I click on delete and this is going to remove the selected columns. So right now I only have field ID, change detection, and area change. I'm going to highlight this and then go to insert, home instead, and then all borders, give it all borders like that. And then also I'm going to now highlight everything again and click on insert, then choose the pivot table, choose existing worksheet, choose my location, click on OK, and this is going to auto-populate our pivot table here. So you need to click on area change and drag area change to rows, and not to rows but to your fields values, and then change detection to rows. So you come up with something like this. The next thing is you need to highlight everything again, copy, and then paste it in a new cell. After that, you can just enlarge this one, and then say this is change detection, for example 2017 to 2024, like that. And then what you need to do next is say area change. So area change in square kilometers, like that. Okay, now you need to highlight everything again up to the last item, and then now you need to insert the bar chart. So click on any chart here. I'm just going to select more columns and then choose the this one here, choose this one, then click OK, and this is going to generate advanced visualization chart for my geospatial data. So the area change in square kilometers, and now the change detection. So this is area. You can add axes, titles. So here you can say this is area in square area in square kilometers, and this will be your change detection. So click on this one and then say this is change detection, like that. Okay. So then you can add more things like labels. If you want, you can add labels. You can see that Bearland to Bearland changed with 23 square kilometers. Bearland to built up changed with 12 square kilometers. Then the highest one was built up to built up from 2017 to 2024, which is 65 square kilometers, followed closely by forest to forest, which changed with 47 square kilometers, then followed by cropland to cropland, which changed with 32 square kilometers from 2017 to 2024. So you can also add a trend line, or you can add a legend first. You can add legend, you can see legend, and also you can add a trend line and see how it has actually been changing. I'm just going to remove the labels because they seem noisy. Then you can do all other sorts of things. You can also add error bars at the top of each bar, for example. Yeah, so as I said, I have a full course on this kind of advanced visualizations on Udemy. You can check out the link in the description. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.